Hello, welcome back to yet another video giving you the tools to be great at your hospitality job. Now, one thing that comes my way quite often is conflict resolution. People can be very nervous, especially if they're new to the industry, in resolving an issue with a guest or a client. But let me tell you, it's not so difficult when you have these little notions that will help you find your way through it. Let's take a look. In any hospitality setting, whether it's a restaurant or a hotel, conflicts can inevitably happen. It's not about avoiding them, but learning how to handle them with professionalism and care. When dealing with a guest who's upset, the most important thing is to remain calm and empathetic. First of all, acknowledge the issue. There is this moment to show the guest that you're listening, but genuinely listen to their concern. If a guest is upset about their meal, or perhaps their room isn't what they expected, simply start by saying, "I understand you're upset. I'd like to fix this problem as soon as possible." This simple acknowledgement lets the guest know you're taking their complaint seriously, and it sets the tone for respectful interaction. Next, just listen carefully. Often, guests just want to feel heard. Even if they're being loud or aggressive, stay composed. Let them fully explain what's wrong from their opinion. A guest might be upset about waiting too long for their meal, or the room could be missing an important amenity. Don't interrupt at any time. Instead, listen with an open mind and avoid defensiveness. Once they're done speaking, take a moment to restate the issue. This shows that you understand. "So what you're telling me is that your meal took longer than expected and you're disappointed with the service. Is that correct?" Once you've clarified this, it's time to take responsibility and apologise. Even if the issue wasn't directly your fault, you represent the restaurant or the hotel. The guest needs to see that you're committed to fixing the problem and you have no ill will. You might say, "I apologise for the inconvenience. That's not the experience we want you to have at our establishment, and I'm sorry that it has been upsetting for you and it's below our usual standard." Then it's very important to propose a solution. The solution should always focus on resolving the issue quickly and efficiently. If their meal was delayed, offer a discount or a complimentary drink. One of the key things is offer a dessert. This helps on revenue costs. If the room didn't meet their expectations, for example, offer an upgrade or a complimentary service that you have within the establishment. You could say, "Here's what I can do for you. I'll make sure we expedite your order and I'd like to offer you a complimentary dessert as a way of apologising." Or, "Let me move you to a more comfortable room right away and offer you a late checkout for your troubles." After offering the solution, confirm that the guest is satisfied. It's important to check that they feel the issue has been addressed. Ask, "Does this solution work for you, sir, madam?" If they agree you've successfully resolved the conflict, be yourself. Don't be afraid to infuse some humour to lighten the mood, but be vigilant to the person's temperament and demeanour. There is nothing wrong with also sitting them down, offering them a refreshment in order to calm any tensions or to reiterate that you are taking their complaint seriously. This can add more of an informal feeling to help diffuse the situation further. People buy from people, so if you're able to connect with that person on a level, the respect will go through the roof, I guarantee you that. But lastly, thank the guest for their patience and understanding. Even if they were initially upset, ending on a positive note can turn the situation right the way around. Thank you for bringing this to our attention. We appreciate the understanding and we hope you enjoy the rest of your stay. In hospitality, the goal is always to leave the guest feeling satisfied, even when things go wrong, and it can often go wrong. How you handle the problem can make the guest feel more valued than ever before, even if something had gone perfectly from the start. So remember, stay calm, listen, take responsibility, but above all, offer a solution. That's the key to resolving conflicts smoothly and leaving guests with a positive experience. Thank you.